It's just me and my plants. Sometimes I water them, sometimes I walk around the yard and show my daughter them. It's just me and my plants. I'm in the gardening. They call me soft, but all these bars I still go hard in them. It's just me and my plants. Time for a new pot. Fill it with well-draining soil, never overwater. You don't want no root rot. Crabgrass all in my way, and I pray every day. Let me say what a fight has been. If they leaves looking yellow and they ain't too green, that may mean that they need some more nitrogen. See, the rule of thumb is full sun and they burn. Too little light ain't right either, you learn. They need fertilizer, sun, water, and dirt. Then photosynthesizing just might work. They like to climb, so give they ass a pole. Before you know it, roots are taking hold, absorbing nutrients from the soil. Let's grow. It's just me and my plants. Sometimes I water them, sometimes I walk around the yard and show my daughter them. It's just me and my plants. I'm in the gardening, put people out here.
This is from our local tire shop, and they have to pay to have these taken away and recycled. So you ask the tire shop, can we take a few tires? And they're gonna say yes. So there's a very local resource for you. Ooh, go out, free, take your stick with you. Woo!
To level that tire, we're going to need cardboard and lots of it. Free behind the restaurant. We're also going to need rocks, also free, found behind the restaurant. Water always moves to the lowest level in any container. So if you just put about 3 cups of water in the bottom rim, you will be able to level that tire just by keeping it all even. To do that, we're going to have to wedge some rocks into and underneath the rim until all that water is evenly spaced the entire way around. That is how you level it. The goal in this system is to keep that bottom tire as moist as is conceivable. So we want to put some absorbent material. In this case, I used old packaging crates and cardboard. I cut them up, I tore them, I smushed them up, and jammed them into every little nook and cranny that I could find. Even in the very bottom, you can see the asphalt's covered and all the rim is covered. It's soaking up all that water. But after we get that water all in the bottom, then it'll be time for the next part, which is filling the tire with all the nutrients, soil, and compost.